Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.2, Problem 12. This is Section 1.2, Problem 12. It says, write the given number in words, 315,155. So start with the 315. I will write 300 15 and now I can't write 155 in words yet. I have to put 1,000 after 315. So now I have 315,000, that's the first three digits, and now 155. Forgot my T. 155. And again, to do a nice job between the 50 and the 5, we can put a dash. So 315,155 written in words.